Viewing the identity score in the Azure Portal is done through the Azure Active Directory. In the search bar, you can type in Azure Active Directory, then select. Once here, scroll down and select Security. Once on this page, select Identity Secure Score. This brings you to the Secure Score for Identity. From here, you are able to see the Secure Score and the improvement actions. Select Columns, then select Status and Apply. This opens up the status to see what needs to be addressed and what has been completed. You can go over to Name, select the item that needs to be addressed. This will show you more information with regards to what you can select once you have implemented the changes. The description shows you what needs to be done, how to implement, and how it will affect your users. Once all of this is completed and status changed, select Save.